Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope that you've been having some good time at home over the last couple weeks. While you guys have been up to that, teachers have been hard at work trying to make the best experience possible for you, so that you can do some distance learning and still learn a lot. So I'm just going to take you through what our course will look like, our geometry course for right now, and maybe I'll post another video next week as well. So this week, you guys will be working through this folder here, March 30th through April 3rd. I'll talk about what's in there in just a second, but just in general, when we're doing our distance learning, there's a couple ways that you can get help. So you can always email me. You can always send me an email and I can get back to you with whatever help that you might need. Another way to get help is by posting things in a discussion. So if you have a quick question that you don't really need to email me about or video conference with me about, you can post it in this discussion, all right, where you can go and write a comment. You can say, I'm having problems with this question on this assignment, or I don't understand the directions for this assignment, or whatever it might be. Okay, I'll be checking that. I'll get a notification if you post in there, and I will get back to that as fast as I can. One thing that we'll do every day, and you don't have to be here every day, but one thing that I think a lot of your teachers will be doing is I'll be available via Google Meet every day between 1 o'clock and 1:45. So every day I'll be on there. I'll be at my computer and I'll have the Google Meet pulled up, and you will be able to come on and video conference with me and your classmates to get some help. So this first week, like we'll talk about in a minute, we'll have a test. So we'll be looking at a couple things as we go there. All right. So if you want help with that, you can just click on this link that's going to be here every day. It's not going to go anywhere, and I'll be on between 1 and 1:45. All you need to do is when you get to that link, is click join now, and then you'll be good to go. Okay, so that's there. With the rest of it, we will have, let's take a look at the folder for this week. Okay, so this is where you need to go each day. I have things for you to complete every day this week. Okay, here's your plan for this week. Just list it out. And I have a couple more things to edit in here, but we will get going with that. There's a plan in there. Each day you just come in and you complete the directions. Notice how these are listed as must complete. I have completion rules set up in each of these, and that's going to be the main way that you are getting graded on these. So with our Monday, for example, so this is going to be the day that you'll see this. There's always going to be directions up top, what you need to do that day, and then what I expect done. So when we left off the last Friday we were here, we took a quiz, and then we started the 9-5 homework. So that was dilations. If you were gone Friday or you're missing that video, there's a link to it right here. Okay, so Monday you're going to turn in the 9-5 homework via this quiz below, and then you're going to view this distance learning expectations video, which I'm recording right now. Okay, what's down here is the quiz that we took Friday. There we go. The quiz we took Friday. If you were gone, I have it here for you, and I have you assigned to it already. If you took it already on paper, you don't see this option. But if you, I believe I got everybody. If you did not take the quiz the last day we had class, then I'm going to have you take it today, Monday. And let me know if you think that you should have this link and you don't. Again, if you already took the quiz on paper, then I did not add this to you. So there's 10 of you that missed it on Friday. If there's more than 10 and I missed somebody, just shoot me an email as soon as you see this. Okay? But I would like you to take that as well today. That's what it says here. If you didn't take the Chapter 9 quiz in person, take that today. Okay? So again, if that's not visible to you and you think it should be, let me know. All right, and then each day, and you can work ahead. You can work ahead as much as you want until Friday, and I'll explain that in a second. Each day, you're going to complete a folder. So Tuesday, you'll have a couple things to do. You'll be working through a transformation review, uh, and this is in the format of a Google Doc. So you're going to go through it and you'll get your own copy of the slides, and you will fill out this by answering in these gray boxes. After you're done with that one, then we end up with an answer key. So this is just starting a review. And then we're going to go through and do a little bit each day. Wednesday is just a Delta Math day. Thursday, let's see, where'd we go? Thursday, we're going to do a practice test, and there's an answer key to that. And then Friday, we have our Chapter 9 test. So, oh, I lost it. But with the Chapter 9 test, let me show you real quickly when this is available. So right now, you can probably see it, but you cannot take it. And that's on purpose, that everybody's going to take this test on Friday. And I will remind you of these things via email, but our Chapter 9 test, all right, is this Friday. And the rules are the same. You can use a note card, you can use a calculator, you just won't have a paper version of the test in front of you. Everybody needs to get this test done on Friday, which is going to be April 3rd. And it's going to only be open between 8 o'clock and 6 o'clock. So 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Everybody has to get it done in that time. So I gave you a long window on that day because I know that some people are going to be working, some people are babysitting, those types of things. All right. And I want you to be able to get on here when you can. If this time does not work for you, you need to email me as soon as possible so we can find something that works. Okay. Then you have 60 minutes to get it done. So you're only going to get one attempt, obviously, and then we will go from there. Okay. So that's going to be what our first week will look like. So make sure that each day this goes from must complete to saying complete. It should have a green check mark. All right. You have to get this stuff done before Friday. Doing one folder per day is really what we planned on so that you don't have too much to do each day. But by the time you get to Friday, you should be ready for the test. All right, make sure that you're getting a hold of me with any questions that you have. Okay. Besides that, I think we're going to be ready to try this. You guys always do a good job when we do things online, and you do a good job in class. Just stay focused, don't fall behind, and use me as much as you can to get the help that you need. Okay, so again, you can post questions in this discussion, you can email me, or each day between 1 and 1:45, I'll be online at this link. Okay, all right, you guys go ahead and get to work. We will see you around.